Hey, I've made you a present. See, I'm kind of feeling bad because I keep recommending you games that use a lot of terrain, like Mordheim and Warhammer, and I've just started with Trench Crusade. And what if those games aren't for you? Well, I've made you a solution. I designed this print and play document, and the idea is it's super low stakes. It's super easy to put together, super quick, and when you're done with it, you can just recycle it. I'm pretty sure. Here's how to put it together. Okay, here's what you're going to want to do. You want to cut it out as quickly and as efficiently and as ineloquently as possible. It doesn't matter if there's some white bits or you cut into the picture. I made it rough on purpose so you didn't feel bad. Then glue it together. The A tab goes in the A tab slot and the B tab goes in the B tab slot. Well, that's it. I don't know how to make that any more clear. If it's still not clear, I can make some instructions, but you'll work it out. You'll work it out. Surely. Please. Don't make me make instructions. And I also made miniatures. I love these little guys. See, one of my favourite gaming experiences of 2024 was playing a game called Mech 28. Mech 28 is made by my friend Bill, Berserker Works, and it's a low model count game with very minimal terrain, and it's bloody fun. But I wanted the barrier to entry to be even lower because I want more people to play it, so I designed these. And this is kind of dumb, but I also made these exploding barrels. You gotta color them in red though, because that's the rules in Mech 28, that red terrain pieces explode. But they fold together super easy, and you can fill your table with exploding things. Just like a 90s video game. This whole project was inspired by a late night of cleaning my workshop. I found something quite cool. This is a White Dwarf issue 223. Free Inside Orc Barroom Roll Game. I've got to show you this game. Well, kind of. See, the issue is that this game, once upon a time, definitely lived in here. I've never actually seen it. It was a free insert in White Dwarf, and all that's left of it... Oh, hang on, allow me to be distracted for a second. Look at this incredible Golden Demon entry. So beautiful. Actually, this whole book is packed with awesome things like this Mordheim diorama. So good. Anyway. Here. Brew House Bash, or Oi, who do you think you're looking at? I'm sorry. I promise that's what it says and I'm not just being weird. So despite us missing the major components of this game, there is a photo of these very happy gentlemen playing. I can only assume the game looked like this. See right here? This is a little cardboard standee, and this has inspired so much. And I think that one in particular is meant to look a little something like this. And you can see what's happened, right? I've seen that. I've made my own. But instead of making my own game, I thought I would promote something that is also free and also very, very good. In case my love for Mech 28 wasn't clear, I even got this piece of art commissioned by the wonderful Let for Bill as a gift, because I just wanted to show him how much I love Mech 28. To do whatever he wanted with, but also I've made it the cover page of this document. So hopefully you'll be inspired to play, because the art is so bloody cool. Great work, Let.